Hi children, welcome to our math class. In the previous class we learned about exercise 5.6. In the exercise 5.6 find out the quotient and remainder and checking also completed. Okay, in the problems are all completed. Today I am teaching about exercise 5.7 division with remainder 2 and 3 digit numbers. Exercise 5.7. See now, work out the following divisions. Work out the following divisions. See now, the first problem 60 divided by 4. So, in this problem, divisor is the 4, dividend is the 60. So, now write 4, 60. Here, divisor is the 4. So, now write side to write 4 table. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. This is the 4 table. Okay, see Nana, here dividend is the 60. The 60. But here in this table up to only 40, 4 tens are 40. So, take only one digit, that is the first digit. What is the first digit here? 6. Then now find out the nearest 6. The nearest 6 is the 4 and 8. But don't take above number. 6 is less than to 8. 6 is more than to 4. So, now take only 4. That is the 1 time in 4 table. 1 time 4 is the 4. So, now write here 4 ones are 4. Okay. What is the next step? Subtraction. So now write here subtraction symbol, that is the minus. Okay children. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is the 2. Okay. Now this digit bring to down, that is the 0. Here 20. Here 20. See 20 find out in this table. See here 20. How many times? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4 is the 20. So 4 5s are 20. Now subtraction. 20 minus 20 is the 0. Okay? 24. Now write here quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient. What got the quotient? 15. Remainder. Remainder here 0. Okay children. Next, second problem, that is your homework. The second one is the 49 divided by 3. That is your homework. I explain now. Third one. See Nana. In this problem, divisor is the 5, dividend is the 603. So now write 5 table. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay, see Nana here. Now take 2 digits. Here 3 digits. But in this table only 52 digit numbers came. So that's why now take 2 digits. That is the 60. Here 50. 60 also more than to 50. So now take only 1 digit. Don't take here also 2 digits. Only take 1 digit. That is the 6. Now find out in this table nearest 6. See Nana, 5 and 10. So now take below 6. That is the 5. Okay. How many times 5 in this table? 1 time 5 is the 5. So 5 ones are 5. Now do the subtraction. 6 minus 5 is the 1. This digit bring you down. Now here 10. This 10 find out in this table. Here how many times 5 is the 10? 2 times. 1, 2. 2 times. So 5 twos are 10. So now write here 2. what is the next step? Subtraction. So now here subtraction symbol. 10 minus 10 is the 0. Here more one digit, that is bring to like this down 3. Here 3 only. 3 in this table find out? No. So the below 5. 3 is the below 5. So up to here. Now problem is completed. Okay. Okay. Now write quotient. Here you go. T-I-E-N-T quotient. How much quotient here? 12. Remainder. Or E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Remainder is here 3. Okay. Next fourth one problem. See now 530 divided by 3. Here divisor is the 3. Dividend is the 530. Okay, your divisor is the 3. So now right side here 3 table. 3 zeros are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay, here also take only one digit. Okay, here 3 digits. Here only 30. 2 digit number. But 53. 2 digit 53. But here 30. 53 more than 30. So not possible. So now take only one digit, that is the 5. Find out the nearest 5 in this table. 3, 6. 6 is the above number, 3 is the below number. So take 1 times 3. 3 ones are 3. Now do the subtraction. 5 minus 3 is the 2. This digit bring to down like this. Okay. Now here 3. 23. Now find out in this table 23. Not here. Not here is 23. So find the nearest to 23. 21 and 24. 24 is the above number, 21 is the below number. So now take below number, that is the 21. How many times 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3 is the 21. So 3 sevens are 21. Now do the subtraction. 3 minus 1 is the 2, 2 minus 2 is the 0. Last digit here, bring to down like this, that is the 0. Here 20. 20, find out nearest to 20 in this table. See now 18, 21. So take only 18 below numbers. So how many times in this table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So 3 6 are 18. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So take like this arrow. Here 10 plus 0 is the 10, here 2 become a 1, 10 minus 8 is the 2, 1 minus 1 is the 0. Now, not possible, here only 2. The below 2 is not possible in this table. Only above 3 is the possible. So, only 2, not here any digits. So, this is the remainder. Now, write quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient is 176. Remainder is 2. Okay children, like this problem solve. Next fifth problem also like that. Fifth and sixth. Now I explained the seventh one. Fifth, sixth problem, that is your homework. Next, see another seventh one problem. 418 divided by 5. Here divisor is the 5. So now write here 5. 418 is the dividend. Here divisor is the 5. So now write here this side 5 table. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 50. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Okay, now Here see Nana, here 3-digit number, but in this table 2-digit numbers came. So here take only 2 digits. That is the 41. Find out the nearest 41. See Nana, 40. How many times 5 is there? 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 5 is the 40. So 5 eggs are 40. So now do the subtraction. 1 minus 0 is the 1. 4 minus 4 is the 0. Okay, completed. This digit bring to down. That is the 18. Now here 18. 18. Find out the nearest 18. See Nana, 15 and 20. Don't take above number. 15 is the below. So how many times 15? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5 is the 15. So 5 3s are 15. Now do the subtraction. Okay, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is the 3. 1 minus 1 is the 0. Here 3 Nana. See, above 5 numbers are 10. Don't not coming here below 5 numbers. So now problem is completed. Here now write quotient. Here you go. TIE quotient is 83. Remainder is 3. Okay, this problem completed. Next 10th problem. 8th, 9th also easy problem. That are the two problems are your homework. Next 10th one. 4 divisor is the 3. 432 is the dividend. So now write here 3 table. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Okay. Now take 2 digits. But 43 here up to only 30. So now take only 1 digit, that is the 4. Now find out the nearest 4. See 3. So how many times in this table? 3. 1 time 3 is the 3. So 3 ones are 3. Okay. Now subtraction 4 minus 3 is the 1. This digit brings to down, that is the here now 13. So now find out nearest 13 in this table. See Nana, 12. Here 15. Now take below number is the, that is the 12. Okay. How many times 3 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 is the 12. So 3 4s are 12. 4s are 12. Now do the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is the 1. 1 minus 1 is the 0. Here only 1 digit, that is the bring to down, that is 2. Now 12. So here also 12. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 12 minus 12 is the 0. Okay. Here quotient. What got here? Quotient 144. So now right here QOTIENT. Quotient is 144. Remainder is 0. Okay, remainder is here 0. Divisor is 33. Sorry, divisor is 3. Dividend is 432. Next 11th problem, that is your homework. Next 12th problem, see Nana. The divisor is the 4. Dividend is the 369. Here divisor is the 4. So now write this side 4 table. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay. Now take this problem 2 digits, that is the 36. Find out the nearest one. See here. How many times 4 in this table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 4 is the 36. So 4 nines are 36. Now subtract 36 minus 36 is the 0. This digit bring to down, that is the 9. Now find out nearest 9 in this table. See 9, 8 and 12. Here this is 9 less than 12. This 8 is the 9 greater than 8. So now take only 8 below number. Don't take 12. So how many times 4? 8. 1, 2. 2 times 4 is the 8. So 4 2s are 8. Now do the subtraction. 9 minus 8 is the 1. So problem completed. See Nana, quotient is 92. Right here. Quotient. Quotient is 92. Remainder. Remainder is 1. Okay, children. Next, 13th problem, 14th problem, that is your homework. Okay, I will explain now 15th problem. See next 15th problem. 439 divided by 4. In this table, in this problem, divisor is 4. 439 is the divisor. Okay, divisor is 4. So now write here 4 table. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. See Nana, here take only one digit. Here 4. So 4 here. 1 time 4 is the 4. 4 ones are 4. Now do the subtraction. 4 minus 4 is the 0. This digit bring to down 3. But here 3 is the below. Again this digit bring to down 39. 39. Find out the nearest to 39. See Nana, 36 and 40. So don't take this 40. Take only 36. How many times 4 is 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 4 is the 36. So 4 nines are 36. Now do the subtraction. 9 minus 6 is the 3. 3 minus 3 is the 0. Now below 3. But here see Nana, here again more one digit. That's why bring to down. Here any digit here? Not here. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఒక డిజిట్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దానికి తీసుకున్నాం. ఎనీ డిజిట్స్ హియర్? నో డిజిట్స్. సో అప్ టు హియర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ కంప్లీటెడ్. సో 3 is the below 4. So that's why not possible. Okay. This is the remainder. Now quotient. Quotient is 19. Remainder is 3. Okay, Nana? This is the 15th problem. 16, 17, 18. The 3 problems are your homework. Okay, children? Next, divisor is here. 3. Dividend is 880. So now write this side. 3 table. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 2, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 80, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay? See Nana, in this problem take only one digit, that is here the first digit. What is the first digit here? 8. See Nana, 8. Now find out nearest 8 in this table. 6 and 9. So now take only 6. How many times 3 is the 6? 1, 2. 2 times 3 is the 6. So now here 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 6 is the 2. Now this is printed down, that is the 8. 8, 28. Find out the nearest 28 in this table. See last one. That is the 9 times 3 is the 27. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 3 is the 27. So 3 nines are 27. So now subtraction. 8 minus 7 is the 1. 2 minus 2 is the 0. Now last digit here, that is the 0. Bring to down. 10. Then now find out the nearest 10. See Nana, 9. How many times 3 is the 9? the 9. So 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is the 1. So now quotient is 293. Remainder is 1. Okay, this is the 90th problem. 21 is the your homework. 22 see nana 832 divided by 4. In this problem 4 is the divisor, 832 is the dividend. Okay, the divisor is the 4. So now write this side 4 table. So nana see 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay, so in this problem 3 digit number, dividend is a 3 digit number, but in this table only 2 digit numbers came. So now take 2 digits, but here 83 and 40. 83 more than 40, not possible. So now here also take only 1 digit, that is the first digit. What is the first digit here? 8. So find out in this table 8 here. So how many times 4 is the 8? 1, 2. 2 times 4 is the 8. So 4 twos are 8. Okay, now do the subtraction here. 8 minus 8 is the 0. Okay children. Next this digit bring to down, that is the 3. See Nana 3. This table not here. The 3 is below to 4. 3 is less than to 4. But here more one digit here. That digit again bring to down. This digit bring to down. That is the 2. Now 32 came. So find out 32 in this table here. How many times 4 is the 32? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 4 is the 32. So 4 8s are 32. Now do the subtraction. 32 minus 32 is the 0. So now quotient is 28. Remainder is the 4. Quotient. Quotient is 28. Remainder. Remainder is 0. Okay children, next problems are, that is your home. Like this all problems are doing your notes and practice them. Next 23, 24, 25, 26. Next 6 problems are your homework. Okay children, write in your notes and practice them. Okay, bye.